Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Emmanuel Khan, and if this is your first time of stumbling on my YouTube channel, I create content around forex trading, cryptocurrency, how to earn in dollars online, and everything that has to do with wealth building opportunities. So if you like such content, hit on the subscribe button right away, and then like this video, share it, and then hit on the notification bell icon so that when I upload newer videos, you will be notified immediately. This is a V75 outlook for the week and the coming days. All right, so you just follow through as I analyze V75 for you and show you what I am looking at, what I am expecting. Okay, this is giving you my outlook for V75, and maybe if time permits, we'll look at one other pair or one other asset, or maybe two others. All right, so basically V75 has been on a downtrend. Let's look at week one. This is week one. Okay, this is week one, and you can see that V75 has been on a steady downtrend. Okay, it has been on a steady downtrend. Took out this low and took out this low on weekly time frame. Took out this low as well. Are you seeing that? So it's crazy. The downtrend is crazy. It's crazy. Look at all the way from 2022 September and all that stuff. Okay, so it has been on a downtrend, but then there appeared something that I know my tricks on traders, that looks like the bulls have come into the market. This is it. Let me check for hours. So this right here looks like the bulls have come into the market. Guys, don't be deceived looking at the higher time frames, from the higher time frame perspective, because the higher time frame is much more accurate than the lower time frames, and the higher time frames, they are much more sustainable, stronger than the lower time frames. Okay, I believe in them I trust in them more than I trust in lower time frames. So according to our higher time frame, V75 is bearish, but what we are seeing right now is a retracement. Price is probably going to look for a liquidity zone to tap into, then collect liquidity, and then start moving in the general overall higher time frame trend. Okay, so what we are seeing here is just a pullback, a retracement, and of course some retracements can be very deep. We can have very deep. In fact, it will look like it's a change of trend, but don't get it confused, don't get it mixed up. All right, so this is just a pullback that is happening currently on V75. So primarily V75, this was the last structure that it broke. So we are expecting V75 to come into this region here. All right, and once it gets to that region, those in my community, the TMC community, they already know what to do. Okay, we look out for our selling opportunity or our sell confirmation, our sell trade confirmation. Once those confirmations appear, the T's are crossed, the I's are dotted, we pull the trigger and we take the trade. All right, if I happen to catch it, I'll try to see how I can post the aftermath results here for you all to see. Okay, so but basically bear this in mind. This is what we are looking at for V75. Okay, so the trend is still very much bearish, as you can see, still very much bearish. Then let's look at one other asset. Let's look at what now? Let's look at step index. Step index is still bullish in the interim. It's still bullish. All right, this is step index, and this is D1. We have seen the last structure high taken out, and this is our current structure high right about here. So price is playing within this region. Don't get it twisted. This is where price is coming from. Okay, so don't get it twisted. Price may even come back here to form something like a double top or a triple a double bottom or a triple bottom, whatever, but get it clear that this is where price is coming from. All right, so whatever you're doing here, be careful, because price is still trending upwards. Let's look at look at 4 hours. So this is what we have on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, and on the 1 hour, I think it will, we might see it a bit clearer on the 1 hour, right? So on the 1 hour, this is what we have. Okay, so whilst price is still trending up, we have this last most recent break in structure or break of structure. So we are looking at taking our trades anywhere from this region. So those in my TMC community, all right, we already know what we're looking out for. I already sent this to them a while ago. We already know what we're looking out for. By the time price gets there and we see our buy confirmations, we pull the trigger. We already know what we're looking out for. Okay, let's look at one more. Let's look at one more. Let's see V10. V10 on day D1, the daily time frame. You can see quite clearly price has been making higher highs, taking out the highs, all right, taking out the highs, and then we are here. All right, so currently V10 is bullish. Currently V10 is bullish. This is what we have on the 4 hour, very clear. So once price gets to our point of interest, we look out for our buy confirmations. Once the T's are crossed and the I's are dotted, we pull the trigger. So these are the outlook, and these are what the assets I'm looking out for to trade this period. Okay, so you can cash in on them if you can keep watch and wait and be patient, and then you have a good strategy that shows you how to enter the trade, when to enter the trade. Okay, you can cash in on these analysis that I've done. This outlook that I've done is a good mine, and I'm giving it out for you for free. It's a good mine. Okay, so take advantage of this while you can. This will bring us to the end of this week's trade outlook. Till I come your way again, I remain your friend. I remain Emmanuel Khan. Keep winning. Ciao.